So I'm not sure if you guys are seeing this and feeling this like I am in the crypto market right now, but it really feels like time is in fact running out. And no, this isn't a joke. This isn't for clicks. There are actually a lot of signs right now that SHIB and other assets in the space are about to start making this next leg in crypto. And what I want to talk about is whether this is the leg, the one that brings us into up only season, what this could mean for Shiba Inu price. So if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So yes, obviously yesterday we talked about last chance. Today we're talking about time is running out, because I don't think people realize that this next move it's going to be very abrupt. It's going to happen out of nowhere. We're getting some of the signs right now. Shiba Inu, for example, although it doesn't look like there's a lot going on down here, SHIB is again staying on trend. We're stacking green days together. And in fact, when we zoom in on Shiba Inu, look what it's doing against its trend here, guys. Right at about 40165, it's fighting this resistance. It's fighting this sell wall. And what we're slowly but surely doing is chipping away at liquidity. And there's going to be a moment where it's hit its head on the ceiling enough here, and it makes this break to the upside. Okay. Now, this isn't a guarantee, but what we're seeing across the crypto market is a very similar trend. And when SHIB does make this move, it's likely going to be an explosive one. And the reason why I'm saying that is think about what's happened during this time. Whales have been building their positions. Supply on exchanges has been being removed. So this resistance that we've been fighting time and time again, it's slowly but surely going away. What we're also seeing is MACD flipping bullish. We have bullish momentum on today's daily candle. That's a very positive short-term momentum signal. What we're also seeing here too is, again, the RSI is actually separating from the signal line. And last several times we've done this, SHIB has gone on some nice runs to the upside. Back here, obviously nice rebound back here, back here. I mean, we've seen this time and time again, right? This isn't me, trying to convince anybody of anything. You can do what you want, but we're seeing similar signs that SHIB is about to go on a run. What we're seeing here as well is BTC obviously fighting its resistance at about this 50-day moving average. And when BTC does get above here, this 20 and this 50, and starts closing candles, I think that is when it's on. I think that's when everything starts to run wild. And right now, when we look at two other things as well, it's showing the same exact thing. When we look at the total market cap of crypto, we do not like to be below this consolidation zone here, where we basically trade sideways before our next big break in the market. And so it is going to want to test the upside here, meaning that when we do break above this $3.18 trillion, it's going to want to try to fast track all the way on a 17.5% run to $3.73 trillion. All right. And what this means in relation to Shiba Inu is probably somewhere in that like 30 to 40% range, maybe 50% range in terms of price. Again, this isn't a guarantee. Understand that Shiba Inu has less liquidity. It's going to less upside liquidity. It's going to move faster. We obviously know that when sentiment is positive, which is exactly what we would get at this time, it's going to make SHIB and some of these other alts go on very significant runs. What we're also seeing here is BTC dominance, right on trend, right? Looking like it's about to drop off again in a big way, which again is very significant for alts. So yes, time is in fact running out. I feel like this is one of those things that could be hours. It could be days. I don't think it's going to be weeks. We'll see what happens. Maybe we get something across the crypto market that causes everything to drop. Obviously, some of this excitement is probably building for tomorrow's CPI report. So pay attention to that. That could be a moment where maybe we get a little rejection, or it could be something that sparks us and we start to run to the upside. What we're also seeing here in terms of the Shiba Inu chart is when we do break this, guys, we have this downtrend that we've been fighting since the top of December. That would be a very big breakout for Shiba Inu. We want to try to run down all the way up to 40185, just above that, about 4020, and then basically 4024 is kind of the target here. All right. And again, for Shiba Inu from these price points, that would be, what would that be? Be about a 50% run. Go figure. Right within the range that we're talking. So when we do start to flip this 20-day moving average, that's going to be a very important sign for SHIB. This 20-day likes to be support as Shiba Inu is on the rise. It likes to be resistance when Shiba Inu is on the way down and trying to rebound. So this is really what we have to watch closely. Guys, yes, time is running out. We may in fact just be days away. This isn't to be alarmist. This isn't to freak anybody out. This isn't for views or anything like that. And frankly, when we're looking back at this video, again, hopefully it holds true, right? When we're looking back at this video, I don't want people to say that they weren't warned, that they weren't prepared. We don't get these opportunities that often in the crypto market, and all the signs right now are pointing towards this one consistent theme, and that is that bullish sentiment is starting to take back over. And if we don't deal with any of this negative crap in the market, manipulation attempts, anything like that, we could be on a fast track towards significantly higher prices. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts. Are you feeling the same thing? Do you think time is running out? When do you think we make this run? And now, one thing I did miss, and I'm going to talk about briefly, is this that surge to the next leg? Is this the beginning of up only season? Here's the thing. It is a switch. All right. The switch has to flip. Right now, what we're dealing with is a lot of the capital within the space currently. A lot of the people that are here are the ones that are driving the market. The capital that's on the sideline flowing back in. That's why we've seen USDT dominance slowly dropping here. It's because some of that confidence is returning and people that are waiting are starting to re-enter the space. What we need now is a nice move in price, and we need that switch to flip for the people outside the space to start to move into the space. That is what is going to create that next leg. And if we do see prices move significantly enough, if we start to see Shiba Inu again push towards 403, if we start to see BTC breach 100K and start to move towards a new all-time high again, it may just be the spark that those people outside the space are waiting for to start chasing price, creating this FOMO. And again, this is something where we're looking at potentially a new all-time high in terms of Shiba Inu. So appreciate you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.